Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another blind bag of stationery, and it is again with the rabbit ear girl and clever sister. So I really want to do any blind bags of other stationery, but they haven't released any yet. So if they are available, I will get it as fast as I can, but cannot promise it is too fast because it takes time to shipping to my location. So I hope you guys don't mind it. And this one I got from Taobao as usual, and it's about $10. It's really cheap, right? It's about $10 of New Zealand, so it should be like after shipping it's about like $10 USD for this bag. And last time the one you saw is the big one, but this one is the smaller one, so I don't know what inside here either. So everything in this bag is for stationery and also DIY. And let me check. So in this packaging it has 79 items, so I'm not sure what is this inside, and I don't know how it was. And this is so cute, especially the clever girl for this dress and the style. It's look really nice for her. And as I said before, clever girl have a real person. She is a little girl in China, and I don't know, she is owning this company, or they need her to be their model. So this is a real one. It has a real person, but for the rabbit ear girl, no, it's just normal, like, Tila small mochi. Okay, so let's see together what I can get inside this one. Let's see at the back first. Cool. So it is 79 items, so all these items is supposed to be inside here, but not all of them, but some of them. Like they put like a percentage, it should be like 6.25%. So yeah, so it should be something around 7 to 9 items in here. So it have like pen, it have like a frames or even ruler, any book, notes or card or anything. So let's see. So I have unboxed these blind bags for a few bags already. So as I noticed in the bag, it's almost the same thing, but I think you should try to see whether, to watch my video, whether which bag is suitable for you. But I cannot guarantee like the bag I open and the bag you order is the same thing inside, but maybe, just maybe. Okay, so let's see what we got for the first one. Okay, just see this one first. So this is a laser sticker as usual. This is not, yeah, it is a laser one. So this is it's not look like any those two. It's just like a randoms. Yeah, just a random sticker, but it is cool. Because it has like a kawaii sticker, not only the fruit or only the bear. So they have a lot. So you can mix it up on your keychains. Wow, this is so cool. This is quite a book. Oh my god, this is so nice. Let's see what inside here. I never see this character before. It seems like, oh yeah, this is rabbit ear girl, but it's look a lot different. It seems like she is grown up. It's so nice. It's just not like a baby girl anymore. So this is the description. It is a manual. So it have one part that you can make a drawing, and after that it have like a cover. This is the front cover, and this is the back of the cover. And all this is something you need to decorate yourself in your quiet book, just I used to do before. So it's just similar style, just different picture. So you can try it out for this one. And it's supposed to be for this one, it price about like $5 to $10. So in some site maybe they say like over $10 something. So this is cool if you like any DIY. Okay, you got a cute pen. This is really cute. And this is a the clever pen. It's nice. It's really nice for this pen. Wow, what's that? Oh my god, this journal is really cute. Oh my goodness. But I wish it is rabbit ear girl face instead of the clever sister. Okay, oh my god, it's so cool. Can you see the laser color here? It's nice, and it have July J even here. It's so nice. Oh, you need to untie this and see what inside. Oh my god, it's really cool. Oh, and have a card either. So this is the clever girl ones, and have a laser in here. Oh, another ones. Yeah, it is the cover, and also come with the sticker. I never saw that style journal before. Okay, this is like a small journal with a grid line, and the paper is thick, so it's good. But it doesn't have any border on the side, so it to me, if I go for like a big journal, I really like something with the border, so it's easy for me to make it like fair, not like this side, no, you know, like even example like this side is no border, but this side is have border. So sometimes when you make the journal, it's hard to make it like equal together. And it's the paper is look a little bit like grayish, not yellow but gray, and not white. But yeah, everything all good, because like you see, it's just look cute, really cute for this kind of journal. So just put it back, and it's cool. So this is nice, and it is perfectly to use with a small sticker, like a mini sticker that I have shown you guys before. Okay, cool. So let's move on. Okay, so this one is the acrylics keychain. So you can use with this kind of sticker, and it's come around 4 or 5 in the back. How many we get now? Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already 5 items, so we need 2 more. Oh, hold on. So there is none anymore. So we get only, let me count again just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, only 5 here. Ah, yes, it is 7. Oh my god, another cute rabbit ear girl. What is this? Okay, so it just look like this. So you need to bend all the sticker just like the DIY to make a shape of this one. I don't think it is really hard to do, because it have only a few of the material, as this one is already big enough to this one, so the same size, so it's nice. it's just a good display. You can put it as your display. And the last thing we got here is the book. This is journal book. Yeah, I mean, like the previous video, I do complain about their journal book that doesn't have any like a brand name of their journal, but right now it's come with the brand name, so it's mine. Because their brand is also popular, so they need to have something like a cover of their brand, not just like a normal one. So this is a sticker that come with, and this is our rabbit ear girl. Oh, Snorri, the clever girl. Okay, so this is just a normal notebook, like a binder book, and it have, yeah, like a matte finish. Okay, so we are got 7 already. So to me, if you go buy it by yourself, it's take you, I think it was around 20, no, just like around $30 to $40. So I think it really was to get this bag, but please be mind that you get only this kind of DIYs and just a journal and a little bit sticker, because normally they not come with a lot of sticker for this blind bag, just only DIY. They want to sell out all their DIY product and choir book. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching my video today, and I hope you guys like my video, and I hope this video is helpful to you guys to decide which one you should go. Okay, so thank you again, Kara. Thank you to everyone. Okay, see you in next video. Bye bye.